Hey, WooCommerce fans! Today, we're diving into a game-changing strategy to enhance your store's homepage, featuring your favorite products front and center. Every store has those standout products, the ones that consistently wow customers and drive sales, or products with amazing potential that just need a little extra push. Wouldn't it be awesome to showcase them all on the first page visitors see? Your homepage? Here's the answer: the WooCommerce Product Recommendations plugin by WebToffee. It's an all-in-one solution for creating recommendations within WooCommerce. Let's get started. After installing and activating the plugin, go to WooCommerce in your WordPress dashboard and then click on Product Recommendations. From there, select Create Recommendation. This plugin lets you set up recommendations for different pages of your website. Since we're focusing on the home page, it doesn't matter which page you pick for now. These all are pre-built recommendations for the selected page. We're more interested in creating custom ones. Scroll down and click on Create Your Own Product Recommendation. First, give your recommendation a catchy title. Maybe something like Highlights? Next, you can choose the products you want to feature. This is where the plugin gets really useful. You have tons of ways to pick products based on the page you're on. You can choose by category, tag, how new they are, if they're featured, sales status, and more. Personally, I like to keep my favorites in a special category. That way, it's easy to find them whenever I want to display them. That's what we'll do here. I'll select the category option and choose my Highlights category. Now, products from the Highlights category will be displayed as the recommendations. Next up, set conditions for who can see the recommendations and when. You can target specific user roles or timeframes, giving you ultimate control. For instance, if you only want to show the recommendation on Mondays, just pick viewing day and set it to Monday. We've picked our products, now let's look at how they'll appear on the page. The sort option lets you arrange the products within the recommendation by popularity, rating, how recently they were added, price, or you can just show them randomly, whatever works best for you. Move forward, you have a few visual preference settings. You can choose where the recommendation appears on the page. There are different options depending on the page you select, but we are not creating the recommendation for the selected page. For the home page, we'll use the Via Shortcode option. Next, set the number of products shown on different devices like desktops, tablets, and phones. I prefer 4 for desktops, 2 for tablets, and 1 for mobiles. Finally, pick the total number of products you want to display on the home page as recommendations and click Create Recommendation. A pop-up will appear. Click on Manage Recommendations. This is where you'll see all the recommendations you've created. Find your Highlights recommendation and click on this icon to copy the shortcode. Once copied, go to your home page editor and decide where you want to show the recommendation. Then, search for the shortcode widget. Paste the shortcode you copied earlier and click Update. And that's it. Your custom recommendation is now live on your homepage. With the WooCommerce Product Recommendations plugin, elevating your store's homepage has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.